Biceps brachii.
Yeah.
Biceps brachii.
Biceps brachii. Alright.
Okay. Okay. There's one muscle that's under here. Now I flip it around. Okay. This muscle I need to push from under.
Push it.
Okay, look at the red one inside here. It's this one.
So under the
This is,
deltoid.
yeah, under the delta, covered by the delta. There's the brachialis.
Brachialis.
Bicep
Yeah.
brachialis?
Not bicep brachialis, brachialis.
Brachialis.
Yeah, because bicep is the other side. Okay, this is brachialis.
Brachialis.
This one.
So the biceps brachii is only the anterior view.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. The triceps are here.
Yeah, the triceps are there. Your biceps.
Okay, brachialis. That's inside. Okay, covered by the deltoid.
Yes.
Yeah, got it? Okay, then let's go to the forearm. Okay, someone without the gloves, please help me pull off the mask. Take it off.
Oh
Yeah, just remove it. Yeah, no, feels better. Thank you. Yep. Okay, now we go to the forearm. Okay.
yeah. Okay.
The forearm, we start with a landmark muscle. Look at this one, right here. Here.
It's the
Okay.
brachii.
This muscle is brachioradialis. Brachioradialis. This is a very thin muscle, and many students in the daytime lab, they cut this right away, and they don't
Yeah,
have
I
it
didn't
anymore. Yeah, but our teacher, she's very careful. She preserved this. Okay, why should he preserve this? Yeah, because this is the landmark muscle for us to recognize the forearm. This is the radial side, and this is the ulnar side. Okay, so when we see the forearm, we always locate this, the brachioradialis. Okay.
Brachialis.
Yeah. Okay. Now this is the important thing. Next to the brachioradialis, there's okay. This in the
Flexor
okay. There are three. Okay. Look at them. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I said this is the ulnar side. Okay. So start from the ulnar side. This is the 3. This is flexor carpi ulnaris, because this is the outer side. Okay. Flexor. Yeah, flexor carpi ulnaris. And the middle one, palmaris longus. And this is the flexor carpi radialis. Okay. Yeah, because
So
this is
it
the radial
the
side.
first one. That's number 1.
Number 1, correct. Number 1, flexor carpi radialis.
Okay.
Number 2, palmaris longus. Number 3, flexor carpi ulnaris. Yeah, because this is the ulnar side. Okay.
I thought you said the
hold on,
brachioradialis is number 1.
Yeah.
Oh
That's
no.
like the
Okay, this is a landmark muscle.
Radialis.
Yeah, and
Flexor carpi.
okay, and
So after
okay,
that, it's 1, 2, 3.
okay. After this, there are 3.
One.
Yeah.
So what is this one called?
Okay, this one, flexor carpi radialis.
So that's number 1.
Yeah, number 1, you're right. Number
Then
2,
number 2 is palmaris. longus.
palmaris longus.
Then number 3 is
Flexor carpi
ulnaris.
ulnaris. Yeah, because this is the ulnar
1
side.
through 3 from the brachii
Yeah.
right radial.
Yeah, 1. Yeah. The landmark muscle is
Brachioradialis.
brachioradialis. Okay. Now the first one.
Flexor
That's
carpi
carpi radialis. The middle one, the second one, longest. And this one,
Flexor carpi
Carpi
ulnaris.
yeah.
flexor.
Yeah.
Flexor carpi.
Okay. Let me
So
see.
you show us the extensor digitorum.
Before I give you directions to clean up.
Wow, clean up so fast.
You give us-
Anyone has the book of the
Extensor
cat?
digitorum.
Of the cat, dude.
An extensor
This
carpi
one, dude. Yeah. Oh, you have it. Yeah. Please open it up to the forearm. Yep.
So,
So 4 limbs. Brachialis. Yeah, right.
What are you trying to look for?
Yeah, because here.
extensor digitoria.
Victoria.
Okay, these 3 I'm not. This part I'm not familiar with.
Hey, come over
No,
here.
say it though. Say it right so you spell it right.
Okay, this is brachioradialis.
And then do you see these 3 tendons? 1,
3,
2,
1, 2,
and
3, right?
Yeah.
This one is the brachioradialis.
Yep.
No recording of me, please. Just go online and type Dr. Bowie and it's over here.
Okay.
This one right
1, 2,
here
3.
is the extensor